Hi again there folks, it's Will here over to fxace.com. First a big welcome to the video. So this video is a quick update on the managed account service, my MAM, and my account for end of March 2018. So you can see we've had, it's nearly a year's going on this here MAM. So from June last year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now a couple of months, we've got a year on this MAM. You can see we've had this month one of the best months ever, 13%. So we had last month was 7 and January was 9. So nearly 30% already for 2019. You can see we've got a nice win ratio of around 90%. But this month again, you can see the curve here, very nice. Now this is a glitch, this keeps on happening. This is actually a max 30% drawdown on this account, which happened at the beginning, which was here. But you can see, do have a couple of dips in equity, drawdown periods of around 10%, but that's part of the game. You see we're nice steady, gone up this year. So far this year, this month, March was nearly 13%, best month of the MAM service, and you can see I'm quite consistent. I'm only human. I do have the odd, that was December, the odd losing month, and you can see both these months are kind of happen around the holiday periods. So August and December are always not the best months to be trading, but I'm very consistent. See, around 9, 8, around 8% every month, but this month we've just blown everything out the door with 13%, so it's been pretty awesome. So if you want to learn how I actually trade, or you want to become a member of my managed account service, there is links in the description of the video. So there is. You can see I'm very consistent. My profit factor is over 2, which is what you want. I'm mainly a scalper. You see 25,000 pips in a year. It's pretty good, but around 3,000 pips a month. And yeah, it's very consistent. So if you want to learn how I trade, you can click the links below using my systems or my coaching services. Or if you want to get more information on my managed account service, just simply contact me at will@fxace.com or contact me via any of the methods below in the description area. Okay, so it was just a quick update of the MAM March, another fantastic month coming into April, and hopefully we can do the same again. Okay, so again, click the links below and I'll speak to you soon. Will@fxace.com.